Hello everybody, this is Jhilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to unbox this month, that is May month's Glamego box, and this month's box is known as the Beauty Emergency Kit. So that sounds really interesting, and as soon as I heard that this is going to be the theme of the box this month, so I got so much intrigued to see that what are the contents inside the box. So without further delay, let's see what I have got inside the box. This is how this month's box looks. It's a beautiful, cute little box with images of animals all over, and I think my daughter is going to love it a lot. So let's see what's inside. So once I open the box, this is what I get, and I can see there's product description leaflet, and also it's like date with mom. So this is in regards to Mother's Day, that is I think coming 13th of this month. So it's a date with mom. This is how it looks. So what you have to do is post any of your picture with mom before 10th of May and tag Glamego on Instagram and Glamego _club on Facebook, and the hashtag to be used is date with mom. So yes, let's see one by one what I have got in this month's, that is the Beauty Emergency Kits box. The first thing that I can see is the Acnes for Pimple Prevention. It's a pimple defense face wash that is very handy. This is the one. This is how it looks. So I think this is really a very good thing that they have provided inside the box, because it's crazy hot now. Our skin are going to get very oily. It's already getting, and we are going to get a lot of pimples also. So especially for those who have naturally oily skin. So this is going to be very handy. I think it's a very good inclusion in the box. So let me tell you about the product. This is from the brand Rohto, and it's the Acnes Menthol-Cool Pimple Defense Face Wash. So the price of the product is ₹99. It's a new brand. Rohto is a new brand, and about the product, it removes 99% of pimple-causing germs, absorbs excess sebum, reduces inflammation, soothes skin, kill the pimple when it is one. That means if you get one pimple, if you apply this face wash, if you clean your face with this face wash, be assured that this is going to reduce your pimple then and there, and it won't spread. So obviously this is a very good product. This is the first product. The second product that I can see is the Seer Secrets Rambutan Dates and Liquorice Lip Scrub. This is the one, and I think I have got another piece of this, and I really love this lip scrub. It smells so sweet. It's like fruity flavored, and it really works great for your lips, and it's a very good product, I can say. So this product is a full size product, and it costs ₹261. So what they have to say about the product is Liquid Scrub removes dead cells, lighten the lips, plumpy looking lips. Yes, I can totally agree to this. This is a very good product. Whenever I am using it, I have already got this product, so whenever I am using it, I can feel that my lips have become very soft and also a little plumper. So that's a very good thing about this scrub. So this is the second product. The third product that I can see is one of my favorite brands, that is Votre multivitamin and rejuvenating night cream. This is the one. So I love Votre products. I have a lot of Votre products. Night cream was something that I didn't have, so they have included this night cream. So obviously I'm going to follow a regime very soon wherein I am using all products from Votre. So yes, this is the third product, and this costs rupees 1550. It's a 30 ml bottle in jar in the box. It costs rupees 1550, and the full size bottle is 50 ml, which costs rupees 2350. The fourth product is this Bella Voste nail polish, and it costs rupees 249. Obviously, it's a full size product. The shade that I have received it's called Perfect Pick, and it is a beautiful metallic. Look at this. I don't know. It's like a gray, silver gray shade with a hint of green in it. So it's a beautiful shade actually, and I quite like it. So this costs rupees 249. And last but obviously not the least, I think it's the highlight of the box, is this lipstick from Bella Voste. It's called the Seer Creme Last Lipstick Satin Touch. This is the one. I'm going to show you the shade that I have got. So this is how the packaging is. Once you open it, it's a beautiful shade. I mean, I don't know if I have told here or not, because I love these kind of shades, wines, plums, prunes, berries are my kind of shade. I love wearing them, and I think that it goes very well with my complexion. That's what, I cannot wait. This is how the shade is. It's a beautiful shade, and I quite like the feel of the lipstick. It's very creamy. This is the one, and it costs rupees 225. It's a full size product, and I love this shade. It's beautiful. So these are the 5 products inside this month's Glamego box, which is called Beauty Emergency Kit, and all these products are going to be very handy whenever you need. So obviously it's a Beauty Emergency Kit. Name perfectly goes with the kind of contents that they have provided in the box. About Glamego box is a monthly subscription beauty box that has 5 to 6 products, and it costs rupees 399 per month. This month only you can see that they have provided products for almost 2,350 rupees, and it costs rupees 399 only. So I think it's totally worth the value that you are paying for this box, and it's wonderful. So the direct link where you can get the box will be provided in the description box below. Please go ahead and book your box, and I think this month's box, especially the Beauty Emergency Kit box, is amazing from Glamego. So yes, hope you have liked the video. If you have liked the video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.